Hi guys, welcome and welcome back to the channel. It's your girl again, Mariam B. If you are new here, you are highly welcome. Make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you will not miss any of my new videos. For my returning subscribers, thank you very much, darlings. I really appreciate all the love, all the support. So in today's video, just what, another vlogging video. I'm going Tanzania for 1 week. Yes, Tanzania. So guys, are you ready to come with me to Tanzania? Let's go and see Tanzania. Like, guys, going Tanzania is one of my dreams because I don't know why, but I love Tanzania. Mambo, Poa, I'm coming. Okay guys, so let me show you guys my outfit, but I know you're not gonna see everything because I'm late. I have to be at the airport 5 o'clock. So guys, I'm going. See you in Tanzania. We are on the way to the airport. So the girl looks so tired because I wake up early morning to fix my hair, to do all those girls things. So we are a little bit late. We are almost late, so we have to get to the airport and do all that check-in, and I need to buy something at the airport because I forgot some things. I don't pack them in my bag, so I need to buy them at the airport. Okay, so we are at the airport now. At Bergamo Airport is where we're taking our flight to Tanzania. And then it's 10 hours flight, guys. 10 hours. 10 hours. We have 1 hour transit to how to go Rome, but we are not getting down from the flight. We will stay inside and then people join us, then we go straight to Tanzania. Guys, I can't wait. I can't wait to get to Tanzania. The funniest thing here, when I get inside the airport, I have to do my check-in. After doing my check-in, I have to go around and get some things that I don't pack in my bag because I forgot them and it's very important. I need them. So now we are at the check-in room. We have to do our check-in one by one. Yeah, but at least the things is so fast, we are walking. So here are the people in front of me. Guys, I'm at the shop. I need to buy this headphone because I have problem with my ears when I'm traveling. I don't know how to explain it. When I'm traveling, I have this ears problem. Like, I feel that my ears is paining inside, so I need a headphone and stuff like that. So here we are at the perfume shop. Like to do eye shopping. Maybe we see some perfume that we like and we buy it. And the girl herself is here, ready to go to Tanzania. Hakuna Matata. Hakuna Matata. Alright guys, let me eat some food because I'm hungry. My stomach is empty. So now I'm done with eating. I'm going to the waiting room. I'm going to the waiting room. We are going to the waiting room because I'm not there. So here is the waiting room. Okay, waiting for the time to go. Yeah, we are going Rome first, and then from Rome we are going straight to Tanzania. Okay, so now everybody is ready. Everyone is ready. All of us, we are going Tanzania. Everybody see here is going Tanzania. So this is the flight we are flying with. So it's time to go inside the plane. It's time to go inside the plane. So we are in now. We are in now, guys. I'm so excited. Like, guys, you don't know how happy I am now. Because I want to see Tanzania.
In case of an emergency evacuation, we remind you to leave all your baggage and personal belongings on board. For further information, please look at the safety instruction cards and seat pockets in front of you. Thank you for your kind attention and have a nice flight.
Okay guys, so now we are in Tanzania. Hello Tanzania. We are in Tanzania now. We are going out, but before going out, everyone have to pay $50. You have to pay $50 when you are going in, and you have to pay $50 when you are coming out. So this is the rules here. We are here waiting for
I have to wait for my
when
package.
we pick our bags, we go outside there. There's some people that waiting for us because they have a lot of buses there. It depends where are you going. Then you just go inside the bus and then you go to your hotel. So these are the buses that will took you to your hotel. So now we are going to our hotel. I'm so tired and we are so tired. I need to sleep because I don't have enough sleep inside the flight. But anyway, when I get to the hotel, I'm not promising. But you know what? I'm not going to sleep. I'm not going to sleep. I'm going out there. We are in Zanzibar, the place we are in now, called Zanzibar. So I'm not going to sleep. I'm going out there to see the beautiful Zanzibar, to see the beautiful people, to go around, to visit some places. The girl is so happy, honestly. As you can see, they have a lot of palm trees here. We get to our hotel now. Here is the hotel. Wow, look at the Maasai people. Okay, after arriving to the hotel, we just go straight to have breakfast because we arrive in the morning. So everybody need to eat. Look at the dude there. He's so hungry. Okay, here is the room, guys. Wow, look at the room, guys. Let me show you this beautiful place. They have 2 beds in one room. 2 beds. This one is the master bed. Oh, the bigger bed, whatever. Guys, don't mind me because I'm so happy. Here's my suitcase, the dude suitcase, and here's the second bed. Okay, so we have 2 beds in one room. This place is so beautiful. So let's go out there. Wow, look at the veranda. Look at those beautiful flowers. Look at those beautiful flowers, guys. Flowers. It's not flowers, flowers. Look at the pool over there. Wow, there's one pool here. This is the first pool I see when I just go inside our room. So this is the pool. When you stand in the balcony, you will see the pool and then the palm trees, the beautiful flowers and everything. Wow, this place is so nice. I can't wait to go around. Here is the wardrobe where we're going to pack our things. It's not that big, but anyway, we don't mind. We have enough space in the room. The room is very big. We can pack our suitcases in one side. Here is the safe where you're going to pack the money, Money is very important. To pack the money, to pack it in a safe place, to keep it in a safe place, So now, after going to the room, we come here because when you arrive in Zanzibar, the hotel you stay, they will explain all the rules for you, the place you want to go, everything around the hotel, outside the hotel. So here we are, the poolside. Here is the poolside with these palm trees. Wow, guys, this place is so beautiful. This is the second pool inside the hotel. Wow, very big. Look at the sky. Oh my God, Africa is beautiful. Africa is beautiful. So I'm going around, to take some videos. I want to take picture in this place, to sit on that loft thing, to sit down and take that picture. Guys, like honestly, I'm in Zanzibar, Zanzibari. Wow, all this place is inside the hotel, very big. They have nice workers. They are friendly with everyone. So here we are. We come to the massage. You need some massage. You need to do some spa. You need to massage this body, We are tired. 10 hours is not 10 minutes. So we need some massage. We need, some spa. Guys, I'm bluffing right now. Don't mind me. Just wait the video. And don't forget to subscribe in this channel, Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell because the guy will be doing vlogging videos. You want to see nice places? Come with me, guys. So here is the the massaging room. I'm going around to take some videos. First we go to the spa. Here is the spa. This water is so nice, warm, hot. Guys, look how this place is romantic. Oh my god, what a romantic place. What a romantic place. Can you please on that light for me? The girl is over there because the place is like, okay, now they're on the light. Look at this place, guys. So romantic, nice, everything super duper. So now we finished the spa. We are going to the massage room, guys. Let me show you the massage room. Here is the massage room. You know, we have how to call, we have 2 times massage and 1 facial routine and 1 how to call 2 facial routine. Okay, so today is the first day we come to the massage. So today we're just going to do the coconut massage, you know, fresh cocoa, everything. Now we finished the massage. We are going, look how I'm glowing. The girl is glowing up and down. I'm glowing. The fresh air is blowing. Seaside. Woo. Guys, today this water was over there. And look at it now. Oh my god. Nice. Yes. Whoa. Africa is nice. Okay guys, so it's in the night time, evening time now, so we are going for dinner inside the hotel because we pay everything together, the dinner, the lunch, the breakfast, everything together. So let's go out there to see what is going on there. The girl is doing her freestyle. Okay guys, so this is our video first day in Zanzibar, Tanzania. So guys, don't forget to follow my next video to see my vlogging in Tanzania. So this is the food I'm eating tonight, so yummy, nice, and you know, super duper. So see you guys in my next video tomorrow, and I love you all. Bye for now.